Good morning and welcome to another day of QiGong. I invite you now to go ahead, place your hands on your lower dantian. You can crisscross your thumbs like I do here, and then have one hand on your lower dantian and the other one over your hand. And I invite you to close your eyes for a moment. Getting in touch with your connection with the earth, feeling your legs and your feet reach down into the ground, imagining a beautiful waterfall of energy coming down from your lower spine all the way to the core of the earth, meandering through rocks and water and soil, stone, so it connects the warmthness of the planet below, and the magma in the core center of the earth, moving your conscious down all the way there, imagining the warmth down there, feeling the warmth. Center of the earth. Shifting our consciousness down to our head, the crown of our head extending out over our body, above our body, up through the skies and the trees, through the clouds, the outer atmosphere, and the space above. On one end, we're bounded by gravity, and on the other end, we are presented with the boundless opportunities of the heavens above. And keeping our consciousness in both places is our daily task. To be bound by the gravity of the earth and presented with the limitless opportunities of the sky above. Now I'm going to invite all of us to become aware of the three treasures of our body, breath and mind, and the body will just have mindful adjustments of our lower back and sacrum, where we tuck that in a little bit. We breathe, zipping up our spine, extending our head up, our chin back, our shoulders drop, our hands are soft, and our elbows extend to the side, round out. Taking space. Space that you belong, you have rights to on this planet. Putting one hand over the tummy, breathing in deeply and exhaling. As you breathe in, you can stay soft, and as you breathe out, you can say belly. Just keeping your focus on the tummy. Soft, belly. Feeling that hand go up and down. Activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the nervous system that calms down. Owning the vagal nerve, which is one of the main nerves that goes up to our cerebral cortex. And now I invite you with one hand to bring it up and pour out the regrets of the past. Finish the prayer position, and on the other hand now pour out any anxieties of the future. And release both loose. Dissolve into the present moment. The present moment is the focus of our practice this morning. So with that, I invite you to take a deep breath in, and then step to the side, floating your body down, your arms down, to the ground. And connecting with your breath. Inhaling, palms up. Roll up on the balls of the feet. Exhale, palms down towards the ground. Inhale, palms up. Exhale, palms down. Let your feet drop shoulder width apart. Inhale, pull it up. As if you're taking off and then landing on your heel. Taking off up to your palms, balls of your feet, and landing on your heel. Again, keeping the tug of the earth or the heavens, and balancing the two. Something that we all do throughout life. All living creatures on this planet are pulled in the same way. I'd like you now to just start doing what's called tugging on the temple bell. To get a wider step, and let the back of your hand slightly hit your back 2 inches below your navel, your sacrum area. It's called the door of life. It's an energy gate on the body. And out of your other hand, that's in front, lightly strike the abdominal area, activating your chi, moving it up slightly to your wrist to activate your liver and your spleen. Coming up to the upper chest, making the fist soft, activating the lungs and the heart point. Up here on the upper corner of your chest where your chest meets the shoulder and collarbone. You can just start lifting up the opposite foot in the direction you're paddling in. If there's any relief and any tension there, make it comfortable and possible for you. So the objective of QiGong really is to produce more chi in the body, which leads to greater health and longevity. Now we're going to do like we're throwing salt over our shoulder. Bringing our hands above our shoulder, behind us, looking behind us, as if we're tossing salt. And just observe how you feel at this moment. I'm going to invite you now to start shaking. So pumping at your ankles, we're shaking, and we're shaking the whole body, slightly shaking our knees, our hips, our shoulders, our hands, letting our hands move up our torso, the shoulder level, going up all the way above our head, and up above our head, side of our head, at the shoulders, down behind us, and then in front of us. Allowing that to happen. Shaking. Now freely shaking as you would, just sort of make it up on your own. Allow yourself to shake however you like. Breathing naturally with everything. And then release that. And then allow yourself to shimmy back and forth. Shimmy the legs and the buttocks and the hips. Both sides of the body. And release that time. I invite you now to look inside yourself and see if you see any shift in energy. You might experience some tingling. And that's just activating all these lines of energy, these meridians of energy that run up and down your body. I invite you to breathe up and picking off all the heat, the ground and the skies, and then turning your palms to your head and letting yourself shower with that chi that you just activated throughout your whole body, your head, your neck, your torso, all the internal organs back to the ground. And connect to the ground for a moment. In your connection to the earth, recycling that energy. And then bring it up, crossing your arms, palms up, all the way to your chest. And just acknowledge yourself just now. Acknowledge your practice. Acknowledge your self-worth and value. Feel the gratitude of the sun penetrating and the energy of the earth being absorbed. Inhale, and then exhale, slowly drift your hand away from your body, drifting them out, and slowly flipping your palms up to the sky, lifting up as high as your hands and your fingers facing each other. Allow yourself to breathe deeply. Deep breath. Slow and gentle movement. Create that elixir of medicinal chi, medicinal vital resources, essential energy. Exhale, bringing our hands back down. With the ground, recycling, feeling that energy from the earth, inhaling up. Again, fingertips face each other, we're holding up the sky. Breathing deeply. Release. regenerating, recharging, inhaling, up. One more time, holding up the sky, smile, taking in the sun's energy. Breathing deeply, moving slowly. Release. Now raising one hand up, spiraling it up, then bringing the other one down. We're going to make our stance more like a horse stance. We're going to support both heaven and earth with one hand. Breathing deeply as we hold this open with one hand over the other. As we breathe deeply, we can release, spiraling hands up and down, pushing closely. Inhale, breathing deeply, top palm facing heaven, the bottom palm facing earth. Breathing deeply, moving slowly, noticing and feeling. Inhale, exhale, hold, breathe deep. Inhale, exhale, breathe deep. And then I invite you to release the hold. Make your feet up, shoulder width apart. Giving a ball of chi between the hands. As we inhale, we stand the ball. As we exhale, we shrink it. Then we move into turning the chi. So one hand over the other slowly as we breathe deeply and move slowly. About 12 times. Then turning direction. Breathe deeply, moving slowly. You feel the chi run through your body. Where the mind goes, the chi flows. Where the chi flows, the blood flows. Then turn your plate as if you're spinning these symbols horizontally. And do the same thing. Slowly, deep breath. Really feel the chi. Switch sides. Sit down. Now extend your hands out at the inhale and then push them together as you exhale, pumping your body with chi, with energy. And as you press down, imagining that it's being ignited by like a furnace, and then easing off as you pull your hands apart. Concentrating your feet. As you slowly start turning that ball of chi, taking your time, outer hand sort of waves down and the middle hand just goes up the center of the ball. Waving down, coming up the center, coming up the center. As one hand waves down, the other comes up the center. And you can get your whole body into this now. And you get your hips into this. You're sitting down on your inhale and you're tightening up your abs on the exhale and then releasing your chest also on the exhale. So inhale, sort of slightly sit down with your tailbone and then sort of punch as you exhale. Allow yourself to release that muscle. And just look inside yourself and see how you feel. Respect inside. Smile down upon all your organs within your body. Then slowly inhale, bringing your hands out around your body. And ending up with your back of your palms facing each other. And then as you exhale, flip them around and rub your elbow and your forearm to your head against your rib. Inhale. Got that hand. Exhale, flip and rub. Elbow, forearm, hand. Inhale. Back to hand. Exhale, flip, rub. All these deep breaths and slow movements. that movement. And again, see how you feel. Again, smiling inside of your body, shining rays of golden sunshine throughout your body, and happiness and appreciation. What we just did was what's known as cleaning the liver and the spleen. The liver's on your right side and the speen's on your left side. Just like to see how you feel now. Now we're going to inhale deeply, rising our hands up with a soft twist, up to the side, opening up the chest. Breathing deeply. On the exhale, we're going to now close our position, bringing our fists together and pushing, clenching our face as we exhale. Gripping the ground with our toes and our ankles, and squeezing our perineum while looking at the ground. Now the perineum is where we stop the flow of urine, that muscle between our legs. Inhale, open. Breathe deeply. Exhale, close. Fists, face, feet, perineum, looking down. Pause. And release. Open. Breathe deeply. Exhale. Breathe in. Close and exhale. Fist, face, feet, perineum. Squeezing all that air out. Pausing. Inhale and open. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Push the fists together. Crunch the face. Grip the feet. Squeeze the perineum. Looking down. All the way down. Pause. Inhale. Open. Taking all the beauty of the sky. And just leave your hands there about head level. Open hands. Taking in the chi. Recharging the chi in the body. Sending that chi from our hands and our face and our body into the deep places of our body, storing that chi into the marrow. Accepting that chi into the marrow of our bones as we accept ourselves deeply, without reservation, into the marrow of our bones. Breathing deeply. Long, smooth, and deep breath. Inhale, and then exhale, we're going to bring our hands down to our chest level with the palm facing down. And breathing naturally. Right now we're just going to hold the element. So we're holding the element of wood here. The wood is associated with our liver. And the liver color is green. So when we're breathing, you can imagine a beautiful green color. Our liver is where we store our anger. So we transmute our anger into acceptance and joy. Now we're going to push our hands in front of us at an angle. And holding the hands there, we are holding the element metal, which is associated with our lungs, associated with the color white. And the lungs is where we store our sadness. So as we breathe that beautiful white color within, we are transmuting that sadness into self-confidence and empowerment. Holding the element of metal. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands down to your side. Fingertips pointing down. This is where we hold the element water. Imagine a shower of water and energy of chi. The water fowl raining down upon you. The water element is associated with our kidneys. The kidneys is where we store our fear. Transmuting our fears to security and courage. Imagining a beautiful blue light, the color of water and our kidneys. Releasing any fears into the water and transmuting that into courage. Inhale up. Dusting all the chi. Again, raining that chi down upon our body. The shower of chi coming to ground. We're now going to go through a series of movements where we actually make sound dealing with our different organs. And this is called QiGong, healing sound. And we're going to start off with the lungs. And the lung exercise. And what we're going to do with the lungs is we're going to inhale, open up our hand, like cactus position, and then exhaling, bringing the palm facing upward in front of us. And as we exhale, we're going to make the sound of like a snake, as a whisper, or like a Z sound. So whichever one you prefer, they're both the sounds of the lung. The whispers for this is mainly for emotional release and more reverberating sounds, more for physical regulation. So we're going to make that sound as we exhale. Inhale to cactus position, rounding around. Inhaling a beautiful white light. Releasing any sadness. Now we're going to release that, continuing with Again, the QiGong movement is for the blue color and represents our again, as you recall, the kidney is where we store our fear, and the color associated with the kidney is blue. So we're going to work on transmuting our fears to courage. We do this by making the sound choo, like cuckoo thing. Choo. It's a whisper, then choo can be the reverberating, regulating sound. Whichever one you choose, it's up to you. And we're going to use the fountain movement. So if we inhale, make a fountain with the hand, back it up the palms together as we inhale, coming up like a fountain, and as we release, making the sound choo. Inhale, long, smooth, and deep. Choo. And releasing the liver, releasing the kidney movement, we're going to now move to our liver. Our liver is on the right side of our rib cage. The liver is associated with the color green, so as we breathe in, we're going to imagine beautiful green entering our liver. And moving our anger into acceptance and joy. So with this, what we're going to do is inhale, kick to your right side where your liver is, and inhale, do a gathering breath, the palms up, inhale, and then push to the center, then exhale, make the sound for the liver, which is like that's the sound of a librarian asking someone to be quiet, putting their, like I just said, putting their hands over their mouth. It's that sound. The other sound for that is shoe, like a tennis shoe. So, again, we inhale and then release. Push to the other side, gather the breath. Inhale, long, smooth, and deep. Close movement. Center yourself. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two. observe yourself and see how you feel now. How do those sounds resonate with you? You know any resonance or entrainment of the sound within your body? We're going to move now to the heart organ. The heart organ is where we often store any hatred, jealousy. We release that and transmute that in this process to love and connection. So the color associated with the heart is red. So when we breathe in, we're going to breathe in a red light, filling our heart with that red light. And the sound we're going to make is ha, like H-A-A-A-A. You can make it reverberate more, move from the emotional ha to the more regulating and entraining ha. The movement with the heart is a little bit different, where we have one hand up, like we're holding a bottle, another one is we're serving the bottle, and we're moving from one side to the other, the elbow where we're holding a bottle, and then we're going to lift up our tray, so to speak, and then serve the bottle. As we say the word ha. And then we're going to switch hands. Inhale. Lift the tray. Serve the bottle. So with that, inhale beautiful red light. Long, slow, and deep. Gentle movement. And release that practice. See how you feel. Now I invite you to another movement. It's associated with our spleen. Our spleen is where we hold our anxiety. So it's shifting that anxiety to calm and peace. So moving to more calm and peace. And the color associated is yellow, so imagine breathing in a beautiful yellow color as you breathe it, yellow golden color. And the movement is called Pebbles Across the Pond. So, as you inhale, you bring your hands out, and as you exhale, you sort of bend over forward, and we toss the pebbles across the pond, making the sound of hoo. Inhale, then toss. Like Dr. Who. The other sound associated with that is hoo. That's the more resonating sound, or the more whispering sound. Allow yourself to inhale deeply, exhale. Slow, long, deep breath. Exhale. Imagining beautiful yellow light. Now again, allow yourself to release that passage. And again, see how that sound reverberated within your body. The last sound we're going to do has to do with the triple warmer, which is one of the energy lines within the body. That takes care of our immunity system. So our autoimmune system, it really helps regulate. The sound is key. Some people associate the color purple with it, so there's nothing definitive on that. And so allow yourself to take a deep breath in. Raise your hands up to the sky, and as you exhale, making the sound of as you lower your hands slowly to the ground. Inhale, pick it up. Exhale. Allowing for your whole body to be regulated, to be grounded, to be centered, to be cleansed. A lot of practitioners do this after doing a session of Reiki or other treatment methods. I use that after I use the bowls. The healing Nepalese bowls. Feeling yourself ground with beautiful purple light. Connecting heaven with earth. Just releasing that at this time. Look inside. Feel and notice any shifts, any new sensations. Now allow yourself to think about hip distance, and we're going to do what's called drifting. So allowing yourself now to deeply breathe within your lungs, taking all that chi in, and come to ground, and then just allow yourself to move whenever direction your body would like you to move. Feeling the earth and the sky, and feeling that you're in between, navigating these two planes, these two dimensions, or this third dimension that we're on. Not paying attention to anyone else but yourself. It's when we make these slow movements, these slow, gentle movements, and we're making these slow, long, and deep breaths, that we're creating like a mixture of goodness, of relaxation, our own medicine. medicine that only you can make within you. Antidote to stress, a leading cause of dis-ease in the world is stress. They work on creating total relaxation, producing different chemicals in our body that allow us to relax, de-stress, to feel happy. We touch with our posture. We touch with our deep breath and slow movement. Building chi within our body. Building a resilience for a rainy day. And really coming to ground. Taking a deep breath in, driving up all the chi, and carrying up chi over our body. Allowing the chi to be absorbed by every bone. Again, breathe in. Shower that chi into your bone marrow and in your energy center. Again, of your upper dantian between your eyes is one energy center. The middle dantian, your heart and solar plexus, that is 4 and 1. And your lower dantian and your lower abs. Coming to ground, and then inhaling like a bird raising its wings to shoulder level. Exhale, bringing the feet together as you bring the hands down. The prayer position, bringing the hands together in gratitude for a wonderful practice. Smiling deep within. Saying, for all of today, I am safe. For all of today, I am peaceful. For all of today, I am kind. For all of today, I accept the world just as it is. For all of today, I accept myself just as I am. Inhaling, bringing that flame, that flower up to the sky, and blooming that flame, that flower, showering chi around you. Absorbing that chi, bringing the backs of the hands together, and raising the hands up to chest level, and give a blessing for the day, offering the very best of yourself, whatever that blessing might be. Offer it to the world. The big smile radiates light throughout your body and organs. Making a fist with one hand and palming the other. The fist representing power, the palm representing love. Wrapping our power with love. Thank you. I bow to you. Have a wonderful day. Stop record.